Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is my little sister, Janiqua. So today, we're going to be showing you all of our Depop / Poshmark.
There's one thing.
Oh, and one Poshmark purchase. So we both have a shopping addiction, some a little more than others. And so we're going to be showing you what we bought and if it's like a good deal, and then prove to you that you should shop on Depop because it's the best app ever, right?
Yeah, definitely.
So since she has 13 products and I have 3,
some of your stuff hasn't came yet.
Yeah, a lot of my stuff hasn't come yet. So she's gonna show her product like 2 at a time, and then I'll show like one of mine. Okay, so how about you start off? So show your products. Okay, so she got these two Too Faced. What are they called? The eggnog latte.
Wait, limited edition Christmas palette.
Okay, limited edition Christmas palettes. There's the peppermint mocha and then the eggnog latte. Ooh, and they still have like they've only been touched like a few times, right?
No, they were brand new when I got them.
Oh, brand new. So then
I used them.
Yeah, so they look like that. Very Christmassy, right? And that one has like just a blush and then a bunch of eyeshadow shades. And then this other one, again, has a blush and then a bunch of eyeshadow shades. These ones are a little darker. And then how much did you purchase these for?
For both of them together, it was $15 free shipping.
And then and then it usually comes with 3, right?
Yeah, it's usually 3 for like $45, I think that's how much it was.
So what a steal, right? So she got the Christmas in New York palette, and I think I bought this one from Depop too, but mine's shipping. So it looks like that. And then this girl obviously really used it.
The bronzer, especially.
The bronzer. But everything else looks pretty new.
I used that one a lot.
The Indulge.
I used that one.
And then how much did you pay for this palette?
15.
This was 15. Okay, so she paid $15, and then how much is it usually?
I don't know, like
50. Okay, yeah, so that's a good deal. So the thing about Depop is a lot of things that you buy, people they put up because they get, like, let's say for Christmas, and then they never use them because they just don't have space for it. Or like if you're like us, we're makeup hoarders, so we just like to grow our collection even if we don't use it. So that's why we buy this stuff, even if we use it like 3 times. So yeah. The makeup thing I bought was this Lorac Pro To Go palette, and so it's really cool that it's magnetic. So this part pops down, and then these 2 sides open up. On the first side, you get the mirror, and then it has a highlight shade, a powder shade, and some eyeshadows. And this is really good to pop in your purse. And it also comes with an eyeshadow brush. And then on the bottom half, it comes with 2 blushes and a bronzer and another brush right here that's an angled like eyeliner brush. And I'd assume you can use this one to like fill in your brows with maybe one of those colors. And this one, like, it only been like scratched a little bit on accident and like not used because the girl said it didn't like really like match her. And I think I paid for this one like $12, and like usually these are like $30. So
how much shipping?
It was like probably like $4 shipping. She got the Anastasia Glow Kit, the Sun Dipped Glow Kit.
That one was used a lot before you ordered it.
What?
That one was used a lot before I got it.
You sound British. Just used a lot before I got it.
It's just my throat.
Your throat makes you British. Okay. So it has these 4 colors. Definitely used a little bit, but
sanitized it.
Yeah, usually with this stuff you sanitize it or they sanitize it for you, which is good, so you don't get people's rabies. And then she got this little this pretty little thing dress, but it's just this little black tight. Is it tight?
Yeah.
Ooh, little form-fitting dress.
These beauty blenders, they were in total
$10. Is that what I said?
No.
$20.
They were 25. They were 25, and then $1 shipping. That's a really good deal because each beauty blender costs $20. Okay, so this is the new one, and then this was the one I used this morning.
The next thing I got was this jacket. Jacket. It's this pink color. So it's from the New York City gym. I'm assuming there's more than one gym in New York, but maybe I'm wrong. And it's just this light pink color, and it's really cute, and it's pretty new. So So this one is very used. Like this girl.
No, okay, so that girl, she dropped it and like a giant chunk came out of it, and then when she sold it to me, when it came in the mail, it was like completely shattered.
So, but this is in the color Peach Goddess from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and it's just, I don't know, there's still so much product left in it. I don't think any girl can use this in their life. And then there's this one, which is the Laura Mercier Candlelight, and it's a highlight powder. Cute. Oh, I have like about 6 more things coming in the mail.
Yeah, so I don't have that much of a problem. My stuff just came fast.
No! Yeah! You got the Sugar Glow Kit, and you have the, what's the other one called? Sunlight?
Sun dipped.
Sun Dip. So this one has 4 colors as well.
It was like not even used, and I use it like every single day now.
So, yeah.
Ah! So this, I got the Tartelette Bloom palette. It was barely even used when I got it, but now I use it like every single day because it's so pretty. And like, yeah, I got this for $14 and $1 shipping. And it's really expensive, I think.
Yeah, that's like a really good palette. Like,
And
it's really popular.
I've just been really wanting that palette, so when I saw it on there.
So Jenna bought a fake,
But it was
Princess
literally $8.
but it's still $8. That's 8 candy bars. Is that all you have left?
Last one.
Last one. So then this is her Poshmark purchase. It's the Becca highlighter.
Jaclyn
Trio.
Hill. It's her collab. This one was actually used, but she sanitized it also. And the colors are Pearl, Champagne Pop, and Blushed Copper. And so it's in here.
And for the final purchase and finale, the best thing that you could buy, this is my Croc backpack. She hates it. She thinks it's ugly. So it's a child's backpack. It's in hot pink, like fuchsia, and then it has like orange zipper with an orange handle, and then like these like turquoise
Why is it
handles.
turquoise?
Turquoise.
It's
Turquoise. And so then on the back, it looks like the bottom of the shoe. Yeah, and these are the giblets. The gibbets. I call them giblets all the time. The gibbets and the Cars ones. They're Cars
They came on the backpack.
Yeah, they came on the backpack. I have more purchase things coming in the mail from Depop. So if you guys like this, like it so I can have a part 2. And I know you hate her so much, so she probably won't be here unless you want her here. But yeah, so that's it for this video. If you liked it, make sure to thumbs up and subscribe and comment anything you want to see. Maybe I'll do it. So now that's it. We've talked too long. All right. Thanks for watching. Peace out.